In this video, we're going to work on a new activity. As you can see, I already created an empty activity and named it word meaning activity. In this activity, we're going to show the meaning of the word. And this is the design we are going for our word meaning activity. We have a collapsing toolbar, a tab layout, pronunciation button, a back button, and this area here is the view pager. If you are confused right now, don't worry, it will be more clear when we finish implementing it. Now we need to add some styles in our styles.xml. So the style name is expanded title text and the text size of this style is 26 sp. Now another style for our tab layout, my tab text. It has some text styling properties. Now on to our activity word meaning XML file. And here again we are going to use coordinator layout. So let's get rid of these. Layout width and height is match parent, and inside the coordinator layout we are going to create a layout. So layout width match parent, layout height wrap content, and the theme is dark action bar. Now inside the layout we are going to create collapsing toolbar layout. So layout with match parent, layout height wrap content, and then here is some margins. And this layout scroll flag is the scrolling behavior of this collapsing toolbar. We added scroll and exit until collapsed. And this expanded title text appearance is from our styles.xml, which we created earlier. Now inside this collapsing toolbar layout, we are going to create an empty image view for spacing. Layout with match parent, layout height 180 dp, and the collapse mode is parallax. This collapse mode means the image view will scroll in a parallax fashion. And now we're going to create an image button to the right. And this image button will be the pronunciation button. Here is some margins, layout gravity is bottom right, collapse mode is parallax, and the background is from our drawable folder. This is the image. And now let's create the toolbar. So the ID is mToolbar, layout with match parent, layout height, action bar size, pop-up theme, app compat light, and collapse mode is pin. Pin means the toolbar won't scroll all the way. Now we'll create tab layout. It will be outside the collapsing toolbar layout but inside the app layout. So the ID is tab layout, layout with match parent, layout height action bar size, layout gravity bottom, background is color primary, tab text appearance is from our styles.xml file, and tab mode is fixed. You can also use tab mode scrollable. Scrollable means you can scroll the tabs. If you have a long list of tabs, then scrollable would be a good fit, but we'll have only 4 tabs, so we'll use tab mode fixed. Now outside the app layout, we'll create the view pager. So the ID is tab underscore view pager with match parent, height match parent, layout behavior, app bar scrolling view behavior. We need to add this behavior because we want to collapse the toolbar when we scroll the view pager. Now on to our word meaning activity.java. So let's add the toolbar. For now the title is set to English words. Now let's create a back navigation in the toolbar. First we set navigation icon, and this is a back icon from our drawable folder. And now to handle the click on this navigation icon, we need to override on option item selected. And now this navigation icon will work as a back button. That's all for this video.